back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create talking avatars with Synthesia. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create talking avatar with Synthesia, all you gotta do is simply go to Synthesia. So once you're in your Synthesia website, then you need to use the stock AI avatars. However, before you start anything, you need to take a paid version of Synthesia to unlock much more features for creating an avatar. You need to log in to your Synthesia and then you need to select a stock AI avatar, enter your script, and select your voice as well. Now you can simply generate the video and simply download it once you are ready. After this is done, you can also create a personal AI avatar by starting a new project, recording your footage, and submitting your recording. Now you can also wait for the processing and use your new personal avatar. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.